Okay, so let's get serious for a minute. A question that I get a lot about moving to the South is tornado threat and how we handle that. So here's the real deal. Yes, we are part of Tornado Alley here in North Alabama, southern middle Tennessee, northern Mississippi, a little bit of North Georgia. This is just how we roll. North Carolina, this is how the weather goes. It is what it is. But we are actually not the most tornado prone states. Did you know that? Who knew? All of those are actually out west. It's going to be Texas. It's going to be Oklahoma. It's going to be Kansas. It's going to be Nebraska. The reason why the South gets so much airplay about tornado events is just by the way that the weather patterns flow. They happen at night here a lot, just like they did night before last. Kentucky is devastated. Western Kentucky, Mayfield, Bowling Green, those areas, parts of Western Tennessee are devastated as well. There was damage all over the place. Unfortunately, it was the middle of the night, and they tend to be rain wrapped. They tend to be hard to see. People are asleep. They don't always get that warning in time. That's why we are so hyper weather aware here. And I say this as a lady who was in my house with my then 3-year-old when our house took a direct hit from an F3. It is what it is. We just really do our best to be prepared for it. We all have weather radios. We can talk mesocyclones with the best of the meteorologists. We know the lingo. We know the speak. I know yesterday morning, I woke up and turned the air conditioning on. It was 70 degrees outside. It was heavy and still and spooky, and the sky was a weird shade of lavender purple that I just didn't like. Red sky in the morning, sailor's warning, not a nice thing. It wasn't even red, it was purple. One of the weirdest things I had ever seen. I've been here, gosh, more than 25 years, been here a long, long time. So I'm accustomed to this, but we keep those weather radios on. We pay attention to the weather. We have a plan. A plan is the big thing. There are shelters in lots of rural areas that people can go to. If you have a basement, if you have a storm shelter, if you have a closet under the stairs in your house. I happen to have 2 cases of wine in mine. I mean, you know, a girl needs the necessities. So it really is not as big of a thing as the media maybe would make you think that it is. It's just a matter of being informed, staying aware, and being prepared. So again, who am I? I'm Jennifer.Grant. I'm with Silverton Mortgage. Hit that like button, hit subscribe on my channel so you will get notices when these videos go up. We are here to help you with a move from wherever you are coming from: California, Oregon, Washington, New York, New Jersey, Michigan, Ohio. We've had lots of those over the last 2 years migrate to the Southeast. Even if you don't need a lender, reach out to me. I can get you in touch with a realtor in the area where you want to go that I know is going to take fantastic care of you. If you have questions, drop them below in the comments or send me an email or pick up the phone and call me. That's okay too. Have an amazing day.